My name is Aaron Cairo, and I'm a sponsored skateboarder from the San Francisco Bay Area. I've been teaching kids how to skateboard over the internet for a long time, and today I'm going to teach you how to fakie big spin. To start out, you should get your fakie ollies down and your fakie half cabs down, and then you can move right up to the fakie big spin. The foot position for this is pretty simple. You're going to have your back foot on the tail, and you're going to be going in that direction. So with this foot position, I'm popping off the left foot, and then what you're going to be doing basically is sliding that back foot while you turn your body a 180. So I'm going to go over this a little more detailed here. So have your feet in that position. You see my front foot is slightly slanted. The back foot is off the edge of the tail a bit so you can get that slide motion down. And then you're basically going to be doing the motion that I just showed you, sweeping with your back foot while your board pops. Your board does a 360 and your body does a 180, and you're going from the fakie position. So you get that little sweep of the foot, which is the same as a shove it, and your front foot just basically follows the board around the whole time. Now again, just like the fakie half cab, this trick is in the shoulders and in the sweep of the back foot. So as soon as you get ready to pop, you're going to turn your shoulders and your head. That's very important. You're turning your shoulders and your head, and then you're going to sweep your back foot, causing your board to do basically a 360 shove it. Now it's a lot easier than a 360 shove it because the momentum of your body is going around, and you can leave your front foot on the board guiding it the whole way. So for me, that's my right foot. So you'll see my right foot, it stays as close to the board as possible so the board doesn't spin or anything like that. And on the foot position for the takeoff, I don't have my toes on there or anything. I have the whole foot on there. It's a little bit slanted like I'm going to do a pop shove it, but basically the whole foot is on there to keep it from spinning at all. I really like the way this trick feels because you're riding fakie, you pop, and then it just flows really nicely. And once you get it really down, you can leave that right foot on there, like I said, and then it just kind of flows around, and then you land with both feet. It's a lot easier to spin it fakie than it is to spin it regular. If you're learning big spins for the first time, then I recommend learning the fakie one first, actually, because it is easier. You're just popping off the nose, or, well, riding fakie, so if you're going to use your tail or your nose, it doesn't matter. But you're popping off that side of the board, and then you're just spinning it around. Here's the steps again, gradiently, the turn, the half cab, and then straight into the big spin. So yeah, it's right up there in the shoulders. You're going to turn your shoulders and your head. There's a couple shots here. I'm going to hold my arms out so you can see. The upper half of my body, it spins very slow. And you can see the board spins a lot faster because obviously the board's going to do a 360 and your body's only doing a 180. But yeah, so turn your head, turn your shoulders, and just make it a nice smooth gradual motion with your body and your shoulders going first, obviously. And then when you pop that back foot, which is similar to the pop shove it, you should have that pop shove it motion down with your back foot pretty well. Then the board just flies right around. You can land and roll away. You can learn this with a little bit of a pivot, but it's also really easy to just flip it around the whole way and just do it the full rotation. This trick is a lot easier for me than even like a fakie pop shove it, so that's why I didn't put fakie pop shove it in there as one of the prerequisites, because I honestly don't think you even need to really have that one down. If you have your regular shove it down, you got the foot motion, you can throw that in with a fakie half cab and you'll do a big spin. I don't think you guys are going to have too many problems with this one. Go check out brailleskateboarding.com, and if you guys haven't gotten a copy of Skateboarding Made Simple yet and you're trying to learn the basics, I highly recommend it. I know it's going to help you. You will love it. It's about an hour long and it's very, very detailed. Check out these other videos, and thank you so much for your continued support.